Charleston was really just a maintenance stop for us to thaw out, but we still took a few hours to visit the historic waterfront park. We always enjoy checking out the architecture in small shops. Then we grabbed a coffee and sweet to enjoy while we watched a couple ships navigate the foggy wall around the harbor. Rainbow Row. We walked right by, admiring how pretty it was. And then we asked Google where it was. We had a good eye. We passed a tour guide who said that back in the day, real estate here was about a nickel a square foot. A little more than that today.
Didn't she say that the last sale in Charleston was $22 million?
Yeah, down here near the waterfront. So, prime real estate. Very pretty, but I don't know that I would want to live here.
Traffic is a little more than you like. Your big truck doesn't fit well.
No, we're hanging in the street pretty bad. But it is a pretty spot to visit.
Here we are at Folly Beach.
Back on Folly Beach.
We came here years ago. Gosh, I don't know how many years it's been. But we came here with our good friends Robin and Dave, and we stayed in a condo right on Folly Beach, and it was spectacular. So welcome back to Folly Beach.
Not bad. Here for the sunset.
In a long lost dream, it's where I'll find you. With the wind blowing through your hair, brings me to my knees. In a long lost dream, it's where I'll find you. Oh, the look in your eyes.
All right, so Sam has a vision of what he would like to do parking this rig so that it's more level and we have access to this whole big backyard. So I'm gonna try to help him, but we haven't really perfected this backing in thing yet. We're getting there. Anywhere close?
We're gonna have to build a giant pile of blocks over there. But it can be done. Nose has to come up, which will drop the steps down a little bit. It's not bad.
We're good? Nice.
I think we can make it work.
We packed a lot into our 5 nights in Savannah. We started by taking a hop-on, hop-off trolley tour to get a good overview of this historical city. We loved how they preserved many green spaces throughout. We also spent time exploring the state park where we camped. Leopold's ice cream was a definite highlight and not to miss on your next visit to Savannah.
Look at all the yum. So many things to eat.
I'll find you. With the wind blowing through your hair, brings me to my knees. In a long lost dream, it's where I'll find you.
Pulaski was built in the early 1800s, and the 7-foot thick walls were quite formidable. The Confederates were so confident in their position, but the new rifled guns that Union forces set up on the opposing Tybee Island quickly breached those solid walls. After only 30 hours, Colonel Olmsted surrendered when it was clear that further attack would likely destroy the fort and everyone in it. This was the first stop where we were able to use our America the Beautiful pass.
So that concludes the first half of our video of our coastal route down here in Savannah. And we will continue with another video to finish out Savannah and the surrounding area there before heading down to Crooked River State Park in St. Mary's, Georgia.
So before that, we'll do a little training on how to hook up the camper.
For you-know-who doesn't know how to do it.
And then we will come down here, shift to another Georgia State Park. Georgia State Parks get great high marks. We love Vermont, but these are beautiful, and we have full hookups. So what's not to like?
Yeah. So stay tuned, and if you are enjoying these videos, just subscribe here on YouTube, or you can go subscribe on our blog. We appreciate it. It keeps us encouraged to keep making them, and we're just having fun doing it and sharing this all with you. And a big shout out today to our pup Annie, who turns 4 years old. There she is, waiting to chase the next armadillo that walks by, because that happened. All right, stay tuned, and
we'll see you next time.